According to the research, about 90% of the people in this world listen to music, and they spend approx 32 hours in a week listening to the music alone. That's 4.5 hours every day listening to music. What if I say that you can make money listening to music in 2022? Yes, this is possible. And today, I will show you 5 websites to make money listening to songs 2022. Do not skip the last website on our list, because it is my personal favorite one, and that site can make you even $25 per song you listen to. Here is how much you can earn listening to songs. For listening 1 song you can make $3. Listening 5 songs you can make $15. And for listening 10 songs you can make up to $40. One of the first to use it, and thus make the most money. The first website on our list is RadioEarn.com. RadioEarn is a website where you can earn money by simply listening to radio songs. The RadioEarn website is very popular, and many people are already familiar with it. It is very simple and easy to use. And as you can see, in less than 4 steps, you can go from setting up a new account to earn money with this site. Below this you can see the great features of this site that you will certainly love. They have high compatibility with any device. They offer best placed ads on their site. You can style your radio and design. Detailed statistics, a simple statics to exchange your points, and the ability to cash out in PayPal. The service is totally free and you can do it from anywhere in the world. You can also choose to get paid via bank transfer, Amazon gift card for Bitcoin, and also through PayPal. Right here you can see the live statistics of all the current listeners around the world. This website has already paid out $224,000 to its users. The website has hundreds of users from all over the world, listening to music right now and earning money. You can point your cursor over here on any country to see the number of people earning money listening by music from a particular country. To sign up on this website, you need to click on the sign button. Then on this page, create your preferred username, fill in your first name, last name, your email address, create your password, and reconfirm the password. Then complete this CAPTCHA, and click on register. Then you will be able to see this message. You have successfully created your account. Log into your account, and this will be your dashboard. Once inside your dashboard, go where it says Start Earning, and select Listen to Radio. You can choose from any 3 radio stations available here, and you will earn every minute listening to music. The points will be added directly to your account, and later you can convert them into real cash. But before you start earning with this method, click on Settings, and make sure to put your payment information on this page. I personally love PayPal because it is the safest method to receive money from any country. You can also create one if you don't have already. Just come over to paypal.com and click on Sign Up for free and create a personal account, unless you are a business of course. This will also help you to withdraw the money from the websites and start listening and making money. Click on this button right here. Once you click on a radio station, new tab will open. Simply click on this play icon over here, and the music will start playing immediately. The good thing about this method is that you can even let it play in the background. After the mentioned minutes over here, you can switch to other station. And that's all you need to do on this platform. It is very simple to use and very intuitive, so try it right now and start earning money today. Before we move further, give a thumbs up to this video and comment down below from which country you are watching this video, so that I can make more videos for you and others watching from your area. Now, let's get back to the video. The second website on our list is cash4minutes.com. Cash4minutes.com is a unique service that allows you to earn cash with your monthly unused phone minutes simply by listening to internet radio broadcasts. They have paid over £11 million since 2014, and more than 150,000 users are using this site to earn money listening to music 2022. All you have to do is go to this website and click on Sign Up. Fill in your simple information and you will be able to sign up on this site. Once you sign up, they will send you an email confirmation to verify your account. At first when you log in, they will show you this page, where you can find the information on how to make money listening to songs. Go through this, and you will able to find all the information you need to work on the site. Also, don't forget to add your payment information on this site, so that you can get paid once you reach the payment threshold. The third website on our list is hitpredictor.com. This is one of the best websites for making money while listening to music. The registration process on this site is very simple and easy. Once you log in, you will get paid to rate new music before it is released to the public. Once you finish listening to song, you will be redirected to the page where you can leave the comment and you can rate the artist music. After you're done listening to music on this site, you will earn points which you can later convert to cash. The fourth site on our list is musicxray.com. On this website, you can listen to music brands, get to review their songs, and also earn money listening to songs. Music X-Ray is known as the industry's leading in talent filter. Basically, this site was launched to promote artists who want their music to be recognized and to build the fan base on the global level. These artists pay certain fee to promote their music and build a fan base by submitting their songs to portal and generating followership. You will be signing up as a music fan in order to listen to music and earn money. You will be paid by this website to listen to music of the new artists. Recordings are mostly only 30 seconds long, and even though the website pays couple of cents per song, this is an excellent opportunity to make an extra income. Music X-Ray is fairly easy website to earn money listening to music 2022. However, there are few points that you should know before you start. First, you cannot listen to a song less than 30 seconds. If you do so, then you will not be credited with money. Second, after listening to the track, you can either become a fan or decline it. Either way, you will still receive the payment for the track you listen to. Also, it's best if you change your music preferences weekly, because this way you will get more tracks to listen to and more suggested songs to enjoy. Music X-Ray allows users to cash out their payment using PayPal only. The minimum threshold for payout is $20, and you have the option to cash out multiple times. The fifth and the last website on our list is current.us. As you can see, play music and earn up to $600 per year, and these earnings are estimates of 20 to 30 hours of listening to music per week. And as I showed you in the beginning of this video, people spend approx 32 hours in a week listening to the music alone. And here you can see how you will earn money listening to music on the site. First, you will play the music on Current app. Second, you will earn Current points for listening to music. And lastly, you can spend the money you earned. Current app has more than 100,000 radio stations which you can listen to and earn money. You can also search your favorite music on this site to make money listening to music. This app has many payout options available. They have PayPal, Amazon gift cards, Bitcoin, subscription to Skillshare, and many more. And the good thing is that, if you get bored of listening to songs, you can still earn money through surveys, playing free games, watching short videos, shopping online, and even charging your phone. And if you invite your friends to this site, they will pay you $25 current points per person you invite. Also, they will give you 5% of their earnings for consecutive 10 withdrawals made by your friends. And if you combine all three apps, you can make a good weekly income out of it. That's it for today. I see you in the next video. And if you want to learn more ways to make money, then click on the video showing on the screen right now.